This one subconscious hack to make you look glamorous. Hi, my name is Ax. I'm an instant healing hypnotherapist, and happy International Women's Day to all the women out there. You guys are doing really fabulous. And since a lot of my women clients usually ask me this one particular question, that is, what is the subconscious hack to make you look glamorous? So I thought I'll share it with all of you. Now, to understand this, we first need to understand that our subconscious mind regulates our physical appearance. And how does it do that? Now, your subconscious mind tries to keep a balance between your emotional state and your physical appearance. So that is how, if someone is feeling happy, their physical appearance will be somewhat like they're smiling. And you can just look at their face and you can be like, all right, this person is feeling happy. But what if someone is feeling depressed? Their body language or their physical appearance will show you that this particular person is depressed. So this establishes one important point. Your emotions regulate the way you look. Now, you can observe this also by observing how someone walks. If you observe a confident person walking, you can just look at their walk and you will be like, all right, this person is really confident. You'll have their first impression just by the way they walk. And similarly, if someone is depressed or sad, you can observe it even in their walk. But these emotions are short-term emotions. But what about our dominant emotions that regulate some of the most prominent features about our physical appearance, such as our subconscious traumas or depression, anxiety? Now, these kind of negative neurological states that we experience at a subconscious level, which are considered as dominant neurological states, also influence the way we look. Such as, I'll give you an example. According to a research, and I have even observed this in my program as well, what happens is that a lot of the time, women who gain weight have been in some form of sexual abuse. So what their subconscious mind does is, when they're going through that particular sexual abuse, their subconscious mind goes like, all right, so if I was looking good and I got attacked or I got abused and I want to survive, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the physical appearance so that I can avoid the unnecessary attention. Now, when such kind of clients come to me, and when I'm dealing with them, I help them recover from that particular traumatic moment of sexual abuse. And suddenly these people become committed to self-care. So this is what happens when you have any kind of trauma or depression, anxiety, or anything that is negatively influencing you at a subconscious level will be visible on your face and your physical appearance. The best way to subconsciously remove our dominant traumas or conditioning or negative beliefs is by, first of all, understanding what's the point of origin. And in my experience, I have observed that between the ages of 1 to 9, our subconscious mind is developing. So our subconscious mind is learning our dominant thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. So if we can locate the first point of origin when you felt any kind of experience, and we can subconsciously remove that, it removes the effect of that particular negative neurological state in your present reality. So once we remove this particular trauma, your subconscious mind will start making the adjustments in your physical appearance as per your dominant neurological state. And I have seen this with a lot of my clients. When they come to me and when they're trying to start my 15 days instant healing program, their faces look a bit different. But however, once they are done with the entire program, somehow their faces have this big glow up. And why does it happen? It happens because once they have done all the healing at a subconscious level and their emotional state is now really positive and they are happy with who they are, somehow it's reflected in their physical appearance. Now, here is a technique for you guys to test this out. Now, this technique is very simple. I'm going to teach you how you can subconsciously condition yourself to look good. Now, all you need to do is just take out your phone and just take a selfie of yourself with a poker face. I want no expressions. Take the first picture with a poker face and no expression at all. Now, here's something that I want you to do. Once you have taken that first selfie, now I want you to think of a time when you were really happy. Think of any moment in your life when you were extremely happy. Just think about that particular moment and give it a thought and just think about it. And now, what I want you to do is, I want you to take another selfie, but this time, while you're making that poker face, I want you to think about that particular memory. Just keep thinking about that particular memory for a minute or so and take the picture. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to compare your first selfie with the second selfie and observe the difference in your facial features. And you're going to observe something. The second selfie will make you look even more attractive than the first selfie. That is because you're thinking about something really positive, and that is being reflected in your physical appearance. And this is how important it is to heal your subconscious mind so that you can make the changes even in your physical appearance. Now, if you want to fast track everything like all my other clients, you can achieve all of this in less than 15 days. And for that, I have something for you guys. Hi, I am Axe, an instant healing hypnotherapist. I have developed a 15 days instant healing program. In these 15 days, I will teach you how to understand your subconscious mind map and patterns to identify your relationship blockages. Then using instant healing hypnosis, I will teach you how to instantly heal any toxic recurring patterns, trauma bond, depression, anxiety, PTSD, or any form of physical pain in less than 3 minutes. As a bonus, I will be giving you my special conversational hypnosis method that will make you an instant magnet for anyone in less than 1 minute. Book your free mini therapy session with me by clicking the link to my website in the description below, and let's discuss how we can completely transform your life.